Hi everyone! Welcome back to Buckydrop. If you're dreaming of starting your own online clothing store without the hassle of inventory and shipping, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a dropshipping clothes store from scratch. Let's get started. First things first, let's quickly go over what dropshipping is. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. This means you don't have to handle the product directly, which makes it an excellent business model for beginner. Step 1 in starting your dropshipping store is choosing a niche. A niche is a specific segment of the market that you want to target. For example, you could focus on sustainable fashion, streetwear, activewear, or vintage-inspired clothing. Make sure to choose something you're passionate about and that has a target audience willing to buy. Next, you'll need to choose a platform for your store. Two of the most popular platforms are Shopify and WooCommerce. Both have their pros and cons, but they are user-friendly and integrate well with dropshipping services like Buckydrop. Let's get hands-on. First, sign up for a Shopify account. Once you're logged in, choose a theme that fits your brand aesthetic. Customize your store by adding your logo, adjusting colors, and setting up your homepage. Now comes the exciting part: adding products. With dropshipping, you don't need to worry about stock. We'll use the Buckydrop plugin to import products directly into our store. Here's how you do it. Install the Buckydrop plugin. Connect it to your Shopify store. Browse the catalog and select the clothing items you want to sell. Import them with just a few clicks. Next, we need to set up payment gateways so you can accept payments from customers. Shopify supports various payment methods like credit cards, PayPal, and more. Also, configure your shipping settings. With dropshipping, your supplier will handle the shipping, so make sure to coordinate shipping times and costs. Now that your store is set up, it's time to get customers. Start by promoting your store on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Create engaging content, run ads, and collaborate with influencers to drive traffic to your site. And there you have it. You've just learned how to start a dropshipping clothes store from scratch. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more e-commerce tips and tutorials.